Something similar will work as well. And then move to the next one. Let me grab my blossom gel. This is my blossom gel on the side right here. Stuck on my hand. And then thank you. It's one of the nude colors. One drop of yellow. And see how it turned out. And then one drop of blue.
That's a lot.
I like the pink though, but my pink, it doesn't turn out that. I can do the pink. Okay, let's see how it turned out. It's gonna look cool though. Great. Take this. Okay, great. So I use the back of the crystal pickers is the dotting tool. Just draw that. I was rather to draw that instead of using the brush. It's a peacock tail.
Almost.
So before you do that, you're gonna make sure you're doing a blossom gel first. So I'm applying 1 coat of a blossom gel. If you apply your blossom gel thick, it's gonna spread really fast. But if you apply it really thin, it's gonna spread slower. Something on that, the fur. Can you wipe it off? All right, so here you go, tinted brush. And we will pick this part up. Can you
Clean it?
here you go, take this one. I'm gonna turn into this part. And pick it up with my detail brush. So you can work with the smaller part if you want to.
That came out real nice.
Great. So if you're happy with this, you can clear for 60 seconds. Great. So summary. Thank you, Vicky.
60.
60 seconds. Oh, you know what? Since I'm waiting for that, I can't wait for 60 seconds. I'm so impatient. I'm gonna get another nails. I'm playing with this with the white nails, how it turned out, okay? Again, blossom gel. And let's do that blossom gel on the top of this white nails. Do not cure this first. You're gonna cure it after you do this. All right. Let's do the white one and see how it turned out. Okay, because I still have this part really pretty, so I'm gonna pick that up. Still have part of the yellow. You can add it on. Blue. Great. I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds on this one. All right. Either you're gonna do a gold on this, you can also using a golden touch gel painting. And just follow like the swirl to create the veins that you want. Don't afraid of to have fun with this, because when you do this, it doesn't look exact identical every time. But it's fun about that you can create different colors. You can do, Vicky's love it and she's named it as a gel melt. But we're using that blossom gel to create any like a look like that you want to. So basically you can do so much with this. I'm gonna keep it for 30 seconds. What about this one?
30 or 60.
We can do 60. 30 flash here, but I'm gonna do this one, so thank you. So if you want to do the veins but in foil, make sure you put the top coat first. So because this one is still has tacky layer, so you want to make sure that they are not gonna stick, or the foil is not gonna stick on the tacky layer. If you don't want to have to go on it, I think it looks beautiful as well. You don't necessarily need to. Just to add it on, so then you can see that you can do this as another cute option. Great, 60 seconds.
Chantel asked, what do you do to clean the brush?
What do I do to clean the brush? That's a great question. Chantel, hold on, I have it right here. My plate's right here. Can you wipe that off? Basically, just simply, you're just using a no wipe top coat. I have it right here, my no wipe top coat, and just get the 1 drop of the no wipe top coat on the plates. Or if you do not have this, you can using it on the little piece of foil. But I like to work with the plates because it's more like stationary and it's more like steady for me. Okay, so I'm gonna using my brush and swirl it, so you can see that all the residues coming off from my brush, especially it's a gel painting and gel polish. You can see the shimmery from my golden touch is coming out. So basically it's really easy. Just wipe it off, keep it moist, but wipe it off completely, all the gels off. Keep the brush nice shape and put the cap on. That's all you need to do. Try not to use any acetone, as it's gonna ruin your brush. Also, alcohol will be dry your brush as well. So put the cap on, 2 of this. Yeah, I was doing crystal placement on this. Should I? Oh, I like that. Maybe I should do crystal placement on it. Why not?